Hey, Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia, at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, Richmond Auctions will be conducting a two-day auction of all of the vehicles. About 100 plus vehicles will be sold. And one of them is this 1942 Chevy half-ton pickup truck. Now, you might remember that World War II started in 1942, and by government decree, vehicles built for civilian use were to be ceased. Production was ceased. This is one of the last Chevy pickup trucks built in 1942 before the war interrupted production for military use only. So it's a great example of how they looked in 1942 as things were just beginning to heat up in Europe and the Asian front, as it were. But a nice restoration, tasteful black and red two-tone presentation, red wheels to match the upper body, and stock rebuild, no V8s, nothing like that. This is basically a very nice restoration. The 215 cubic inch stove bolt 6 under the hood, nicely detailed and restored, 3-speed manual transmission, torque tube suspension, all of it very original to what this was built as. Inside, of course, the 3-speed manual, a bench seat. And if you want some cool air, well, there's a cowl-mounted flap right here that you turn a handle and it opens up to get some cool air inside the cab as you motor down the road. And a nice example here of what they looked like back in the day. Has a nice wood stake body on here, short bed, step side. And again, a nice restoration, very tastefully done, high quality, total restoration with photographs to document the process of this vehicle's restoration. So bid strong.